What is up, everybody? It is Monster Core Racing. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you're into anything to do with racing, like monster trucks and RCs, quads, bikes, anything to do with racing. So today, it's a beautiful day out. No rain, blue skies, clouds, very little clouds, and beautiful sun. Finally, this weekend was a washout. What's your name, son?
Jax and Dad, Dad, I got one I got one.
What, for the ABCs?
Yeah.
What is it?
Road Wrecker.
Road Wrecker. What number? What letter is that?
R.
R. Yeah. So before bed, Jax goes to sleep by saying the monster truck ABCs. So we go through the alphabet of every single monster truck out there that we know of, which is a lot of them, and we say the ABCs. So anyway, this is me, Johnny Hardcore. Always hanging hardcore. Right now we're gonna do some RC hardcore, and these kids are loading up the truck. Jax, open up the back.
Sure.
I'm letting them do all the work for a change. Don't get pinched by the thing. Pull it hard. Hard! There you go. I'll let it drop and watch out. It'll come down fast. There you go. Because the absorbers aren't strong anymore. The shocks or the springs. So, anyone that does RCs knows that these things break all the time. Yeah. And when you use the... Jax, what are these things called?
RCs.
No, what are these things called? The black things called?
Ramps.
Yeah, but you know what they're called? They're called destroyers of RCs. That's Road Wrecker. That's Jonathan's creation. That used to be a son of a digger. And now it's Road Wrecker. Don't force it. You'll break the arm. That's Jonathan Core. My first boy right there in the zone. He's awesome at RCs.
And I'm the second.
He's going to be 12 in March, very soon. It's actually March 13th, he'll be 12. Jax, how old are you again?
6.
So Jax is almost 7. He's going to be 7 in June. And he does RCs. He does fast RCs. All right, come on. Now, did you put all the batteries in?
Yes.
We should probably take extra batteries just in case.
No, it's fine.
Well, did you power them up?
What?
Did you power those up?
I didn't need to.
Did you make sure they work?
I'm pretty sure they work.
If we go to the park and they don't work, then what are we going to do? Beat, right?
Take the battery bag then.
Yeah, take the battery bag. We also have X-Max. We have 2 X-Maxes. Mine doesn't have shocks yet.
And yours broke. Really
My X-Max?
Yeah.
No, the X-Max is fine.
Yeah. Watch the video.
John, do you want to do some destruction today? You want to destroy one of these campers? I do. Oh, but it's your truck, though. Yeah, but you didn't ever fix the bumper.
What bumper?
You want to destroy it or no?
What bumper?
Your bumper in X-Max, it's not fixed yet. That's what I was saying. We could. No, the bumper's not in yet. No, it's not. You fixed it already?
Yeah, we already fixed it. Oh wait, never mind.
No, we never fixed it. You want to destroy a camper or what? All right, we'll bring one. All right, so I've been saving these things in a pile of scrap right here. That's gonna get crushed too. But we'll just do a camper right now. So hold on. All right, so we'll do the LOL camper or this one.
That camper, the small
This big one.
That small one.
This one's really. This one actually will work good. Go right through it. All right. We'll start with this one.
But mine is gonna strike.
We might bring a couple of them just to get rid of these things because I'm sick and tired of them.
You're tired of that?
Well, they're garbage. They're here for a reason. So this is the reason. This is garbage. Always recycle, everybody. All right, so I'll pause the video, and when we get to the park, we're not really going to a park. We're just going to a parking lot, but it has more room because the last time we did RCs in the street, we haven't done RCs in I don't know how long. I don't know how long, man. Almost since the summer of last year, and Jax ran his bog hog, because we have bog hog also, the mud trucks, right into the sidewalk, and boom, that's over $100 in parts. I mean, over $100 in parts and labor. So, all right, did you get the extra batteries, Jonathan? Where are they? I'm sure some of you saw our videos before. So this is Bog Hog last week. I'll show you what happened. Jack just ran right into the sidewalk, so that's done. It's gonna be pain in the neck, not pain. It's just to be taking it apart, put it back together again, whatever. You know, we just have to get this part. And I don't think that one. I don't know if you destroyed the servo. You really can't leave this in the sun either because they'll bake and fry. Just a quick little tour. We used to do RCs back here before we bought the big boys, and we was just using the Traxxas's. And then before that, we were using the New Brights, you know, the Monster Jam New Bright ones, long time ago, years ago. They don't go fast at all; they're very slow. But the New Brights, I mean, the Trax went fast. They did, you know, they did pretty good. Not too fast, but fast enough. And that was perfect for the backyard right here. So, but not enough space. You know, when you drive around, you hit the fence. I mean, you've hit the fence, you hit anything, things crack. So, best place to go with these is the park. So, there's little Power Wheels the kids learn on. All right, we'll be back. Show you when we get to the park. All right, so they fenced this place off over here, but I'm gonna go around the other side. We can go into the parking lot. Oh, there's kids in there too, so that's good. There's cars in there, so I don't know what they're doing. Only that side. It's all right. Let's see what we got there. I mean, we're gonna pull over there and we're gonna do our thing.
And there's kids over there?
There's kids riding bikes, so I mean, let's see. I don't know.
Where?
The parking lot. Right here, Zion.
I'm just gonna drive my truck home.
I'm sure I can pull in there.
Oh, there's cones. They really just cleaned up this place.
I'm going in. It's open.
Thank God they cleaned up all that.
I'll do this. I'll park. We'll park in our usual spot. That's all.
I'm not gonna burn
No way.
We're doing RCs.
Do some burnouts here in the water.
No, I'm not gonna get my truck wet like Jax did.
Good. All right, here we go. All right, you guys unload. I'm gonna eat a sandwich, and then we're gonna do some RC bashing. Remember, we are Monster Core Racing. We're Monster Core everything, but this channel is dedicated to racing. Grab it from the back like this.
I'm gonna do some RC bashing.
Yeah.
Dang, great, you guys happy.
We're not doing this until we're not. You don't do this with the low C. You do this with X Max. That'll be the final thing we do. All right, so I'll do a short of this. I don't know, actually know how we do this. I'll figure it out. So we're gonna drive X Max straight through this thing. You think X Max can get broken besides the bumper or what? Or you think it's gonna destroy the whole thing? What do you guys think out there? You think X Max is gonna destroy this camper? Barbie camper? It's a perfectly good camper too. You going with X Max first? That's gonna be wet in there, so. Actually, no, it's right up. Try to help Jax out?
I believe we can have.
You gonna shut them off? Okay, park them right over here. Take the battery out, take everything out. All right, X-Max, it's all yours. Time for some X-Maximum destruction. All right, we're gonna hook up low-C Gravedigger and low-C Road Wrecker. I'm gonna set up these ramps. We're gonna, listen, the ramps, obviously the ramps are going right here. Look, ramps are going right over here, okay? All right, so we're gonna set up these suckers right there. John, you do the ramps too? Set up with Jax? All right. Let's set everything up first.
I'll turn them on right away here.
Jax, don't turn them on yet. Set them up.
I just turned them on.
Jax, set up the ramps first. People can't throw garbage in the garbage. Serious. Jax, what are you doing, doofus?
I found my butt. Ouch.
You hurt your butt?
Can you bring this? Can you get this off, please?
You have to set them up then.
Please, down.
I'm not supposed to be doing any lifting right now. I'm on
Thanks, Dad.
health
Just
leave.
needed help.
I need to rest and take care of my body for a few weeks. Better than I ever did. Imagine that not doing any work. Yeah, right. No, Jonathan, over here. This is the launch pad right here. You drive this way and you launch it. You can't see. You can't see jumping over here. Right here is what we do. Right here, look. Right here. Jonathan, how are you gonna land? You want to set up a course? You want to set up a course? Go ahead.
Dad, I jumped over X-Max. I could jump over X-Max.
All right, what I'll do is I'll end the video once we get set up, and then I'll start another video because everybody's not going to watch this whole thing. We'll start it off with going a little nuts. That's why you need to learn how to edit. Yeah, but then you have to drive in there. You can't drive over here. You have to like drive on the sides and see where you're hitting the ramps.
There's a white car right here.
It's wet over there, right?
Yeah, we're right here. It's like wet out right here.
Jonathan, I honestly would say just set them up here and drive it. It's not gonna be. You're not gonna be able to do it over there. I'm telling you. Beautiful day, everybody. Really beautiful day. So, Jax, is this what you wanted to do all weekend?
What? Ortiz, yeah. Obviously.
And why we couldn't do it yesterday?
Because it was like pouring.
Right?
I'm gonna get my bike out.
Yes. Good idea.
Just in case you might want to ride the bike.
Well, ride your bike right now, and then you could, because John, unless you want to set up the ramps with Jonathan, up to you. Do whatever you want. There's no rules. It's Jack's day.
Oh, Jonathan. My shoes are muddy and Jonathan's are muddy too.
Yeah, because the grass is soaked.
My bike a bit.
Good. Say hello to everybody. Definitely.
I did say hello.
Good. Spread your hands out more. Spread your hand. Yeah, there you go. You can't drive in the grass. It's not gonna. You're gonna get stuck.
Yeah.
You get stuck in the mud.
Look at that. It is mud.
It is mud. All right, so we're pretty much set up here. Like I said, I'm gonna get my sandwich, let these kids get it going, start another video. I'll actually let it play out as Jonathan and Jack's ride. And of course I have the tripod. Always have a tripod.
Ready.
All right, nobody touch anything over here, okay? Because I'm just leaving the camera so you guys can just do what you do.
All right, up here.
Put it up here.
I like this spot. In the middle. No.
That could be good. I'll back it up a little bit. As much as I love the sun definitely doesn't make it easy
Come
to
on, Jack.
do a video. Jax, wait a second, Jax. Let him set it up first. You forgot the pins?
It's not pins.
You got pins?
He forgot to put in pins.
John, I have a couple in the truck.
I already got some. I'll put in mine.
My special sandwich for my SHV. Super tuna. And I think Tabby or Vanessa's gonna make a big pizza. Okay? So when you get home, you have pizza.
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 Homemade pizza.
Dad, do you know this like thing? Pizza, pizza. You know that thing, right? Pizza, pizza.
Isn't that Little Caesars? Okay, so do not drive your RCs anywhere around here. You got the whole park, look.
Oh, I thought I was. Oh, conflict. Oh, in the back. Oh my God.
Jack, use the wheel.
Remember you told me about that? Oh. I'm gonna do it like they do in the shows. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Like they do in the shows now, look. They're like parks.
Level it out. What happened? That's good. That's awesome.
Dang,
Later, Sado.
Oh yeah.
Jax, away from the sidewalk.
Hey Dad, watch out.
You know what? I'll get put right on top of this thing.
I gotta crash into X-Max.
No.
I almost crashed into that. Oh!
Don't do the ramps backwards, Jax.
What happened?
You didn't bring the thing, did you? Right over here. Just don't do jump.
I missed it.
Go on, get up. No, Jack, no. Come over here, not on the sidewalk.